Reasons your VLOOKUPs are returning an NA error. Number 1, number stored as text. This VLOOKUP is looking up the item number from the Items tab on column B and returning the item description from column C. On the Items tab, there are green indicators in the top left of each cell, which means number stored as text. There's also an apostrophe at the start of the number. And quickest solution when you have numbers stored in the text format is select the column, click Data, Text to Columns, and then click on Finish. Then you can right-click and choose Format Cells, General, to remove the decimals if you have an ID like this one. And that's fixed the NA error.